Goebel. I've been doing AI now for over 10 years. I've been doing it in manufacturing, medical, non-US military, drones, all types of fields. I started off doing vision AI, then it went into NLP. And then from there, now I've been doing VLMs or AI agents because that's a hot topic right now. Everyone's doing is agentic AI. And I've been working in that now for about a year with many different companies around Wisconsin and outside Wisconsin. I've been, the other thing is how I got into building this onto being a voice. I was laid off last year, so I decided to start talking about what I do. And from there, it just blossomed into something bigger than I was expecting. Now I'm part of a global event and where a bunch of leaders in AI get together and have conversations about it.
Of great things there. What are some things that are exciting for you as somebody who's been using these tools for 10 years, looking ahead for the future?
For me, what is really innovating me is something I've seen tools grow, and I've used stuff from Vision and NLP. I see many other cases that are not being touched on because if you understand how to stack models, understand that you could stack them and you could do so much more with them. That's why, for instance, I'm helping a manufacturer out of Green Bay with a project on they want something for sales and marketing. Well, they are in a unique area, and that was an interesting situation. And once I understood their data, what areas they're in, we were able to build a AI agent that'll help them with sales and marketing both at once, instead of just you just focusing on one. But realistically, sales and marketing go hand in hand. The other one that I really like is where I'm currently at for my day job is I work for a company called VA's HVA products, and they do HVA systems. Well, being able to use building an AI agent for them for troubleshooting. I had sat in the field with them for 3 weeks, and two guys, they were getting calls all day long and not able to handle the customer they were at. So I came up with a solution of building an AI agent that when they send an email, it would automatically answer the questions that they have issues with and reply back to immediately. So you're doing email triage on top of an AI agent. And then if they needed more additional higher level, they could make a phone call in, which by doing that, that saved a ton of time, money, and actually allowed the current people that are doing installs be able to focus on that stuff instead of trying to focus on troubleshoot for someone else and losing track where they are. So that was a huge game changer. And then one other one was uh, computer vision with it's basically VLMs. Company I'm sitting down with right now talking to is how to use that in manufacturing a VLM with imaging in that. So we came up with a solution when they detect an anomaly, they could actually end up sending an email right away to whatever group and be able to handle that situation immediately instead of wait until the product gets all the way outside and now you got to go back and figure out what really happened. This catches it early. So stuff like that is something that's really intriguing. And the other thing is staying up to date on everything. Me, I'm always reading new stuff. Connected into the AI world at LinkedIn, very deep, and I stay up to date that way as well, and I keep trying to push the limits with it.
Yeah, that's so exciting to hear, especially the applications for your growing companies. And it's been so exciting to watch you continue to grow on LinkedIn in these communities and everything. And we're just so grateful for your time today. So, any
Yeah.
final thoughts before we close out?
The only thought I have is I would say if you're building an AI agent, make sure your infrastructure, your pipeline, and your business problems all align. Otherwise, it's going to fail. And a lot of times, that's the biggest issue is no alignment, and your stuff fails. If you don't want it to fail, make sure everything's aligned from the very beginning all the way through.
True. Technology can only help systems that are
Yeah.
already working. It can't just wave a magic wand and fix problems that are needing to be resolved first. So